that's it. It's a big game against one of the best teams in Europe, if not the best team in Europe in the moment. So, and that's nice, to be honest. It's we are not coincidentally in the quarterfinals. We qualified for that, so we are there. And yes, we beat Man City here a few months ago. But we knew before the game that it's possible. It's only unbelievably difficult to do it. And so now we know again it's possible, and we know it's difficult again. That's all. Be the best is really difficult to become, but if you can beat the best, it's enough for the day. And I think we can beat the best, but only if we work really hard and smart. We need to be proud of our history, but we need to create our own history.